Here are the answers for day 3. Find the values of the 6 trig functions of theta if we're given the cosine of theta is -4/5 and theta is in quadrant 3. So you have to list out the 6 trig functions. That's going to take a little bit of time, so I'll pause the video and let you do that. And when you're listing them out, remember that we already know the answer for cosine of theta. Okay, now that you have them listed out, let's work on solving this question. It would help if we had a sketch to look at. So I'm going to draw a circle, then draw the y-axis and x-axis. Now for this particular problem, it's not the unit circle I'm drawing, but a general circle that's larger than the unit circle. When we're told that the cosine of theta is -4/5, think about the definition of cosine. Cosine is the x divided by r, the x-coordinate of a dot on a circle divided by the radius of that circle. If that's -4/5, you could associate the negative sign with the 4 and think of that as -4 all over +5. The -4 would be an x-coordinate, and the 5 would be the value of r, the radius of the circle. Let's draw that angle into the circle. And remember, we're told that it's in quadrant 3. This is quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. So the angle is down in this area of the circle. The value of x is -4, and the radius is 5. So from the center out to this point right here is 5 units. So where would -4 be? It would be about right here. From that spot, drop straight down to locate the point. Now let's draw a triangle in there. From that dot, straight up to where that mark was at -4, straight over to the right, and then drawing diagonally, make the hypotenuse. There's the 90-degree angle. This is 5 units, the radius of the circle. The value of x was -4, and the value of y is unknown. But because this red triangle is a right triangle, we can use the Pythagorean theorem to find y. 4 squared plus y squared is equal to 5 squared. This is 16 plus y squared is equal to 25. So y squared is equal to 9, and y is equal to positive or -3. In our drawing, is y positive or -3 when we're in quadrant 3? It would be -3. So that side right there is -3. You're going below the x-axis. Now that we know what x is and y and r, we can find our answers. Sine is y divided by r. So it's -3 divided by 5. The reason that the sine value is negative is because our dot is in quadrant 3, and the y value of dots in quadrant 3 are negative. Now tangent is y divided by x. So that would be -3 divided by -4. That makes 3/4. Now our reciprocal functions. The reciprocal of cosine would be -5/4 when you take that answer right there and turn it upside down. The reciprocal of sine would be -5/3, where you take that answer and you flip it upside down. And the reciprocal of tangent would be 4/3.